You sure are talkative. Josie. Josie. What do you want to say? What is it?
She ran out of words.
Now you're not talking? Been talking for the past 10 minutes.
Tell Daddy, baby. Tell him what's going on.
Why don't you talk to her?
Josie.
She won't talk to me.
Josie. What's going on, baby? What is it? What is it? Come on. What do you got to say? What is it? Yeah? What else? Really? What? Really? Yeah? What else, you little buttercup? Did you say a goo? A goo. A goo. What about mommy? Yeah? Yeah. And daddy? Say daddy. Daddy. What about... Yeah? And grandma. Grandma. Josie. What about grandpa? You want to say grandpa? Grandpa. Yeah. What else? Huh?
She's kind of bored now.
Yeah, she don't want to talk no more, Daddy. You don't want to talk, huh? Yeah. What else? I didn't hear that. Whoa, I heard that. What else, huh? You think you can be louder? Come on, I know you can do it. Really? Hmm? What? Yeah? What's Daddy doing? What is it? What is it, baby? Hi. Hi, beautiful. Yeah? What else? Yeah? Mommy. Say mommy. Mom. What?
I think she'll just stick to the yelling.
I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you. Got anything to say? What? What? Yeah? See, I don't have to yell, Mom. I don't have to yell. Yeah? What?
to say goodbye? Goodbye. Ooh. Ooh.
You got a lot to say, little girl.
All right.